I really came for this boat, man. Y'all know we went out with the homie on the boat, and this thing right here is definitely fly, dog. What's up, guys? We are back here with another one, man. It's finally time to move, dog. Got a new spot, bigger space, bigger living room, everything. And guess what? The best part. We gotta garage. Yep, we got a garage now, guys. So we'll have our whole setup with our tools and everything set up here pretty soon. So I can't wait. But yeah, man, come rock with your boy. Wow, so this is our last time in this joint. It's already downstairs.
Also, your helmet, you want to wear?
No, I'm not gonna leave my helmet. Woo! You hear the echo? Echo! Echo! That shit crazy. Yep, this is a cool little get down, man. We enjoyed ourselves. But let's go ahead and go to the new spot. All this stuff is trash, don't worry about that. But yeah, man. It's crazy. Last load of clothes in there. Huh?
She had her first Christmas in his house.
Right.
Her first birthday.
Why don't you just get the vac? Oh, they already took it down. Yeah. Wow, man. This is cool. Cool little spot. I can dig it. Some old stuff. Trash, cocks, or whatever. Can't forget my Mama Lee cars. Can't forget those. But yeah, guys, we just gotta get the TV and everything, and we'll be out of here, dog. So let me grab my helmet, and then we'll be good to go. Alrighty, guys, it is the next day here, man, and my pops just bought my fender back from Antonio. It's in here, but it's in plastic, and I don't want to really take it out off the plastic, but you guys will see it in a hot second. Alrighty, guys, today might be the day, but now is not the time. But we do got our fender. I'll give you guys a quick peek because now I got to take it out the car. If I can just get it right, please. Quick little peek. Y'all see what's going on. I ain't gonna take it out the plastic though.
The CVO radio
Right,
has an additional amp
right,
and an additional plug.
right.
I don't know if you guys come up with a solution.
Yeah.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Yeah. The only thing, see, on an Ultra Classic, all those plugs, all those pins would be used. But
Right.
this doesn't have the intercom and all that. So basically, this is just for your rear speakers.
Oh, okay.
So this radio has a different plug. So you have to cut these wires off. We're not going to use this at all.
And
Gotcha.
rewire
Cut
it.
these
Okay.
wires and connect them to the plug that comes with that radio, and that'll run the rear speakers. And then this runs the front speakers.
Okay,
Nice.
cool. As long as we got
it should all work.
Ooh, got the bars on this joint. Oh my God, this thing looks nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm digging that. Oh man, I cannot wait. This thing looks good, man. Oh yeah, I'm digging that. I like it a lot. That is really nice, man. That's cool.
But I think we'll be there pretty soon.
Yeah, I can't wait, man. Thank you. Appreciate that, brother.
Sure.
Yeah, that's dope. Oh man, you guys don't know how excited I am, man. The bars on that thing look beefed up. They actually look a little bit taller than what I expected. But all in all, I'm more than excited for them. I just can't wait. I'm ready to see it with the wheel on there and the wraparound, man. They got the radio and stuff all figured out, so we should have the bike back. He gave me some stuff like, yeah, man, we should really have it back before the weekend. He said today, Thursday, but you know, I'm not gonna press him. It is what it is, so not really worried about it. I'm actually excited. About to go back to the house, go enjoy my garage. You know, I'm happy that you guys have helped me and helped put me in a position to, you know, help my family out. So I appreciate you guys just as much as you guys may appreciate me. So I want to thank you guys for that. But the bike should be done shortly, and I'm hoping it's done in this video, man. So I don't know, let's see. But we got to go back to the auction, man. I'm digging that boat though. I'm not even gonna hold you. Alrighty guys, so just pulled back up to the crib, man. We got this thing pretty much tidied up for the most part. Still a little bit of stuff we got to get going, but TV's hung up. Everything over here is pretty much good to go. Kitchen is all put together, looking real good. I'm digging the light. We got the balcony over there. Still waiting for something to put right here. Don't know just yet. But gave her her room. She was so excited yesterday. She literally got stuff everywhere. So I guess I'm gonna just leave it like this, because every time I clean it, it seems to find its way literally just like this. And she got her TV hung up on her wall, so she ready to go. She's sleeping. Is the baby sleeping? Okay guys, so this is our bathroom right here. But yeah, the baby's sleeping right now, guys. So alrighty guys, later on in the day, man, I had to go take a shower, get refly, everything regular down, man. I had to go get my cut, and I came back to the old spot for the very last time, man. It was really fun staying here, but we're off to bigger and better things, man. You gotta keep going forward, never get comfortable, man. Just gotta keep going up. So with that being said, I'm finally out of here for the last time. I enjoyed it here. It was a next step, and this is another next step, man. So finally about to go wash this dirt off, wash this whole apartment off this car, man, and head to the auction. What's up guys, we are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are at the auction. You already know, man. You know how it go. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're here at one of the cheapest auctions in town. They always got the deals, but you never know what you're gonna get, man. So just stay aware of that. But that's really not why I came here. I didn't really come for no cars today. I really came for this boat, man. Y'all know we went out with the homie on the boat, and this thing right here is definitely fly, dog. I think it's like a 14-footer or something like that. It's a 2001 Larson. So I don't know, I'm really interested in the boats now, man. I gotta find somewhere to put it though, but if I get it, I'll just freaking find a storage to keep it at. So let's check it out real quick. Alrighty guys, we got this 2001 Larson boat with the trailer. Really nice looking boat. Looked like it was just registered as recently as 2019. You can take a quick look at the inside. No damage up here or anything like that. Interior can just be clean, and this thing will look like really good. I seen my boy get down on his boat, and that thing just made me want one, man. This thing is, oh dang, we're missing the blades and stuff in the back. So I gotta call my boy, ask him right now what would something like that be. But we're definitely missing the blades in the back, so we may be able to get this boat cheap. Hopefully it runs, we'll see. But we got a bunch of little space and stuff back here. Really cool looking boat. Everything over there is ready to go, looks like. No damage on this side or anything like that. So yeah, man, I'm really ready to ready to step it up to the big dogs, man. Now the other thing I'm gonna have a problem with is getting this boat to the next destination, because as you guys know, I'm still waiting on my truck. I don't know what the heck the mechanic's doing. I don't know if they're like, I don't know what's going on, man. So I'm just hoping I'll get it back soon enough. But this is definitely what I'm trying to get today, man. This thing is a beauty, man. Nice big boat. Got a lot of room back here. Got a lot of room. Throw that top up. Ooh, we'll be cruising. Let me know what y'all think though in the comments below. Alrighty guys, first up, man, we got an 06 Mercedes E500. It looks like the suspension on it in the back is like super down, or the air is out. You guys know more about these Mercedes than I do. Tequila kickage on the bumper there. Man, I haven't did one of these in a while. It's got 161,000 miles on it. It's a 06. Like I said, the back is basically low riding back there. But if you take a look at the inside, it does have some pretty decent black interior. No rips or nothing like that. So that's a plus. Now, the seat belt is connected. So that might that tells me that this thing might not start, and that they pretty much got it on the forklift and drove it over here. But body wise, I guess it's in pretty fair condition. It does have the sunroof. You get the you know how to fix these things, man, you'll be in the money. What do you guys think about it though? Let me know in the comments below. Got a 98 Audi A6, 196,000 miles. Not really my flavor no more. It is a pretty old car, but if we take that door is locked, front door is locked, but leather interior is nothing really too spectacular about it, to be honest. It's nothing that really stands out. You may be able to get it like super cheap. So I don't know. All right, we're moving up a little bit, man. We got an 07 Chevy Monte Carlo here. It's like 3 different colors. 137,000 miles, which is good. It does have a little sticker on the windshield. Well, it had a sticker on the windshield there. So this thing, excuse me, this thing might not run. And if it does, it probably runs rough. But who really knows? We'll see it when it comes through the auction tonight. We will be going live. So that's a plus. And check out the inside of this bad boy real quick. It got the leather interior on it. The interior is actually really good. If it runs good and everything, I wouldn't mind getting it and repainting the front end to match the rest of the car. But came from Billings, Montana, where it's the same place where we got the truck from. So this car's been put on the road, but it may still give us some miles, man. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we seen one of these at Copart right now for like $18.50, but this one actually is a 06 C230. Does have 180,000 miles. Now the one at Copart is red. It does have 96,000 miles, and they want $18.50 for it. So this one is actually in pretty decent condition. No damage from what I see so far. 180,000 miles on it. We take a look at the inside. You do have some gray leather interior. It does smell just like an old Mercedes in here, but all in all, you're missing a little armrest there. No big deal. Seems like it's in pretty fair condition. The seat is ripped and needs some stitched, but other than that, you got a little woo wham action back here. No big deal. Other than that, pretty decent ride, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. So this is definitely probably what I'm gonna grab today. We got a little Honda Chrome, I believe this is. Oh, yep, definitely the Honda Chrome. I'm gonna try to grab this today. I want one of these. You could practice your wheelies and everything. Oh, the cable is broke right here, so that may benefit us, because if this thing is broke, it'll go for cheaper. So I definitely want to try to grab this, man. Nice little Honda Chrome. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to get my wheelie game up. Next up, guys, we got an 09 Mercedes R350. Looks like 86,000 miles on it. The paint is really clean. Looks like this is going to be the star of the show today. No body damage from what I can see. The mileage is pretty low. If you take a look at the inside, it does have some nice black leather interior. Definitely was a cigarette smoker, whoever had it, but they got it at the auction, and as you can tell right there with the little cloth on the seat, they cleaned this thing up. So it may be hiding some damage. Who really knows? But what's up, man?
How you doing?
Man, cool. It's been a long time, man.
Okay.
Long time. What y'all do it like once every 2 weeks now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you're gonna go back to every week soon?
Not soon, but
Oh, okay. Eventually, yeah.
I got pretty cars already almost.
Oh, okay. Bet for sure then.
Week, but I need to wait up.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
It's almost full already.
Yeah. Nah, you got a lot of cars today. A lot of cars, man. Does the boat run?
Oh, nice, good for me.
Nah, man. For me. Hey, I just drove a boat for the first time this past weekend.
Yeah.
I want that boat now.
Oh, I'll buy remember the big one that we 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, it was huge. Yeah.
the bike.
You got it?
It's right there now.
Oh,
I
fuck.
need to fix it.
Have you took it on the... Oh, you haven't took it on the water yet.
I need to fix a little bit.
Yeah?
The motor runs everything.
Right.
I need to clean it out. I need to register everything.
Right.
Because my is that one too.
We got a 06 Infinity M35, 165,000 miles. Body's in pretty good shape. It does have the sunroof. Holes in the seat. This is something you probably don't want, but does smell like smoke and cigarettes, and the little shifter position is in like reverse or something, so you definitely don't want this. I'm sure this one's gonna give you problems, and the gas tank is open. So me personally, I'm gonna pass on it, but man, that boat is staring me in the face. Woo, and it's a 20-foot boat. And we don't want the Audi A4 with a bad fuel pump, 120,000 miles. I'm actually cool on that. We got a 06 Toyota Camry here, 120,000 miles. So this is probably more of our flavor here. The mileage is low and the year is pretty nice. I don't know what the heck they was trying to do in here. They had a little kid painting or whatever the case may be. But yeah. If we able to get this thing cheap, I'll take this. I don't even care. I'll clean it all out. Have my boy Juanito come through. Got a little tequila kick here in the back. Got a little ding here. No big deal. Yeah, they took a hard rear ender. They got a whole bunch of little dings back here in the back, but other than that, you got a missing mirror right there and a couple more scratches. So whoever had it, they was just dogging it. But what y'all think though? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, we got a 2012 Chevy. We got a 2012 Dodge Avenger here, 148,000 miles on this bad boy. It may have a bad alternator. Body's in pretty fair condition. We can pop the hood really quick. We can find it. Looks like this thing hasn't been driven in forever, or it's been sitting under a tree. Windows rolled down, so we can't see if it was a sticker here, but this thing was open and literally got a whole tree in here. So me personally, I'm actually cool. I don't want no parts. I don't want to deal with it because I know it's gonna be something wrong with it. So that's that. We got another 02 Toyota Camry. That one's whooped. I don't want that. We got a 09 or 05 Lexus GS. This thing is like super whooped, and I don't want to deal with the project. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want the Beamer. Don't want that. I'm actually good on the two-tone Acura, good on the old school Honda, good on the new school Honda with no window. But yeah, they only got a couple of cars up here, a boat and a motorcycle that I'm literally interested in. Bad clutch on this Mazda right here. Don't want this Kia. Yeah, they got a bunch of cars up here, but they do have like a bunch of junk. But you know, it's nothing too special down there, dog. Nothing too special. We got an Impala here. This thing is whooped in the back. Damn. Super whooped in the back. Huge tequila kick. I was drinking tequila and went to try to do donuts. That ain't work out. Got a little 1500 here. I don't want that. Yeah, I'm actually cool, man. I got my mindset, to be honest with y'all, dog. I ain't never seen one of these before, though. What is this, a 95 HD Vandura? Yeah, that's huge. 95. Wow. You can look in there. Thought I heard a little echo or something. Yeah, I'm actually good. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what was your favorite ride today. Mine personally was the boat and the little Grom Honda. We'll try to get either one of those. It'll be lovely if we can get both, but you know, it never works in our favor that much, so we'll see what happens. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.